If they want to get her, they will get her. I mean, what does this mean, YP Singh? This is what Julio Ribeiro tells me, the country's top cop. If they want to get her, they will get her. Is this the way the NCB functions?
I think this is the way the General Investigation Agency functions, because the undercurrent is that you show me the person, I'll show you the crime. This has been an ancient following done by lots of secret agencies of dictatorial countries. And perhaps that's why they have, if you want to fix someone, you can fix someone. You can stretch the law beyond any imagination, just like certain channels had been insisting that it's a case of murder. And now that CBI is unable to unravel any evidence with regard to murder, a diversionary tactics has been adopted. And NCB, which never does such cases, it's just a WhatsApp communication. There is no physical seizure of drugs, and drugs have to be seized. They have to be tested, whether they were actually drugs or otherwise.
Mr. Mishra, is that true that a WhatsApp conversation is not enough? You need possession. You need to actually have evidence of possession. Is that true? Mr. Mishra? Okay.
I lost you.
Sir, what I mean is a WhatsApp conversation enough, or do you need possession?
No, you see, there is a concept in law, it's called a constructive possession concept. But what I am referring to in the context of what Mr. YP Singh has said, you see, NCB is really not into these small seizures. But it came into his hand through ED. But once an investigation starts, it has to be taken to a logical conclusion. Now, as far as RIAR or anything, as I told you, it is a matter of tactics. The first step is what is at hand.
Right.
That is investigation. NCB as an intelligence organization will take it to the next step further and go on the basis of the intelligence. You see, whatever is visible now is not the entire thing.
Right. So you're saying you're maintaining that what is being done so far may not be the entire picture. Kulika Sadanand, that's the question. You know, many believe that this is only the first step. NCB has been telling us that we will go after other actors who may be involved in drug trade. Therefore, in a way, RIA is only the starting point.
Rajdeep ji, according to me, I feel that this NCB, this arrest of Rhea Chakravarti is only a face-saving attempt that they have made, because the ED is not getting anything. The CBI has still not finished their investigation, or they've not come up with any conclusions, or at least some sort of conclusion. So I feel, because there's a lot of public pressure, and that is definitely having an impact on this, and therefore they have taken this, face-saving arrest that they're doing. This is my opinion. And none of the people who've been arrested were found with drugs in their possession. So as Mishra Saab said, that you can arrest even if you don't find them with drugs in their possession. But the point is that, again, we are going to come to how far is this going to stand in the court, or how far is this really going to stand in the eyes of law?
Let me take that to Aryama Sundaram.
Absolutely, according to me, a witch hunt, and this is a face.
You're saying it's a face saver, a witch hunt. Are those words you would use, Aryama Sundaram, at this stage, or would you say it's preliminary to suggest that? Prima facie, would you suggest this appears like a witch hunt, a face saver, that only on the basis of this remand copy as of now, that drugs provided to my boyfriend, which she is not confessing to consuming herself, become enough reason for 14 days judicial custody?
Copy. In fact, according to me, on the strength of the remand copy, it is most unfortunate that the person who's most damned is Mr. Sushant Singh Rajput, a man who's no more with us. And let me also tell you, on the strength of the remand copy, allow me to be mythological a bit. I think, Rajdeep, you would remember the famous Brahmastram in our Hindu mythology. And the story was, when the Brahmastram was released, it could not come back without hitting some target. I feel a Brahmastram has been released thanks to all the hype which has come about, everything else. And that Brahmastram having been released and not having found its mark as yet, either in the homicide angle or in the ED angle or in those siphoning of money angles, has now found its mark in this NCB angle.